All right, guys, here's the second challenge. What you need for this one is cheese balls and whipped cream. So what you're gonna do, and here's my son Jack again, but you're gonna whip cream your friend's face. All right, got that? Whip cream his face really good. Then we're gonna throw cheese balls and see how many we can stick to his face in 1 minute. All right. So look at Jack. That's what you want to look like. All right, what do you think, Jack? Make sure you can see your face. All right. So in a minute, you're gonna throw cheese balls at him and try to make them stick. All right. There we go. You get the idea, guys? This one's a lot of fun, all right? So get crazy, all right? Do it right. Moms, time on 1 minute, and then whoever sticks the most wins.